Hello, friends. This is Ashwin here. Today, I have come out with a title called The Ending Will Surprise You. This is the list of movies which I am personally sharing. Most of you might have seen these movies, but I would request once again all of you to see these movies along with your children, youngsters, so that you can explain them the merits and demerits of this particular movie and also take the feedback from them. It is the best way to connect with the younger generation. So the first movie on this list is Bimal Roy's Madhumati. I'm sure we know, those who have seen, the ending will definitely surprise you. And it's an ultimate classic by Bimalda, edited by Rishida, fantastic music by Salilda, and outstanding performances by Dilip Saab, Ajanti Malaji, everyone. So it's worth a watch, Madhumati again, and just take the feedback from the younger generation about once the movie reaches the final stage. And yes, definitely the norms of watching this is switch off your mobile phones, no Facebook, no WhatsApp. Watch the movie as it is. Now that I hope you have the time, sit together, watch it with full attention and concentration without any interruption from your mobile phones. So start watching Madhumati once again. Definitely, it's a textbook in screenplay writing. You have a lot to learn from Bimalda, a genius. The next one is definitely one of my favorites. It's Sri Char Sobis. I think it is the best movie ever made from the Raj Kapoor films. Great dialogues that was written by Khwaja Ahmed Abbas Saab was outstanding. Cinematography, the music, everything. The performances by Nargis ji, Nadira ji, outstanding. And it shows it is highly relevant even today. And as I told you, the ending will definitely be a surprise, which the seniors will know. The juniors, you are in for a surprise. Definitely watch Sri Char Sobis. Next, after Sri Char Sobis, we are trying to talk of one more movie that is called, one of my favorites is Jagte Raho. Again, directed by two Bengali directors, but produced by RK Films. It's a beautiful tale, beautifully narrative story, which has shown how a simple man who wants to just drink water comes in an urban setting. Highly relevant now. Please see it. Jagte Raho. Especially people who stay in apartments. And this will be a beautiful comedy, learning lesson, nice, beautiful tale. So watch Jagte Raho. Many of you would have seen it or remembered it, but I would request you, please watch Jagte Raho once again. After Jagte Raho comes our Dev Saab's ultimate, that is Jewel Thief. Jewel Thief is I should say, ultimate thing, which you have to see it to believe it. And I was taken aback when I saw the ending. And it still lingers with me. It's one of my favorite movies. Great music, great locations, especially Sikkim. Beautiful locations of Sikkim, you can see that. So I would recommend, it's one of the best by the director Vijay Anand, who was a genius, who was ahead of his time. But please watch Jewel Thief once again. Then comes a movie called Ittefaq. Ittefaq, again Yash Chopra, director, and one of the best performances ever given by Kaka, that is Rajesh Khanna. It's totally a movie without songs, and I don't want to spoil the surprise. Ending will definitely be a surprise for you. Watch Ittefaq in full go. Then comes one beautiful movie from B.R. Chopra again. That movie is called Dhund, The Fog, Dhund. All of these are available in YouTube. Please watch Dhund. It will be an interesting movie. Great, very well written with B.R. Chopra Films team. And you should enjoy it thoroughly. After that comes a movie from Vidhu Vinod Chopra's. I think it's one of his first movies. That movie's title is Khamosh. Vidhu Vinod Chopra's Khamosh. It has been totally made by NFDC. A brilliant set of artists, right from Amol Palekar, Shabana Azmi, Nasiruddin Shah, and whole set of that FTI and NSD talented individuals. And all of them have contributed a great way in making this a beautiful, excellent suspense thriller. Khamosh is, you will be surprised in the ending. After Khamosh, definitely I will say, please go for Johnny Gaddar. Johnny Gaddar is one movie that It's brilliant movie. Sriram Raghavan, who was, I think you would have recently seen Andhadhun, but watch, you know, Johnny Gaddar also. Great performances, very well done, and you will like it a lot. I can assure you. After Johnny Gaddar comes the next movie is by Santosh Sivan, a brilliant cinematographer, great director, and that movie's name is Halo. It is about a small girl child who's desperately seeking to get back her little puppy. That's it. But let me assure you, the ending will surprise you. And I won't be surprised, it will not touch your heart, it will definitely touch your heart. So watch Halo of Santosh Sivan. And to the final movie which I am recommending is of a Telugu movie which was made by the senior director, one of my favorite directors is Mr. Vamshi. That movie's name is Anveshana. Anveshana is a suspense thriller set in the forest. Watch it and please don't reveal the ending. Yes, the seniors know what the ending is, but show it to your kids and definitely I'm sure they will enjoy it. Anveshana with a brilliant background score, brilliant music by Ilayaraja sir, great cinematography, very good screenplay, and literally nice entertaining movie. So I would request you to watch these movies, and in case you have got anything which is not there in the list, kindly recommend to me. We'll all share it together. Let's enjoy this lockdown. Do we have a choice? No. Thank you. Bye.